Guys, agree ka ba na napaka-valuable ng oras that time is gold? Because time is the most valuable resource because we can never take it back. Kaya ako guys, ang promise ko sa iyo, at ang promise ko lahat ng nasa Zoom dyan ngayon is gagawin ko ang lahat ng makakaya ko para magiging sulit na sulit ang oras na pinunta mo dito at lalong-lalo na yung mga taong nagbigay ng oras sa Zoom, yung oras na ininvest mo dito. At sana, and hindi sana, I know na tong training na ito makakatulong sa iyo na palaguin at mas maging successful ang video content creation journey mo, especially on how to market your business online. Okay ba yon?
Yes!
Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and proceed. Okay na? Hindi pa. Okay. Yan, okay lang. So, why is this not your typical seminar? Sino dito naka-attend na ng Zoom? Sino dito naka-attend na ng seminar? Taas ang kamay. And you all thought that sayang ang oras nyo. Medyo boring. Medyo wala masyadong energy. Medyo hindi pinapawisan yung nagsasalita. Hindi katulad ni Kuya Darbs ngayon. Why this is not your typical seminar? Because I personally made a lot of mistakes in my content creation journey. At sa totoo lang, ang dami kong sinayang na content na hindi nag-work. And for sure, some of you, if you're already marketing, doing Facebook ads, ang dami yung trinay pero hindi nag-work. Because if it did, you won't be here. At yung ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon is for you not to make the mistakes that I did. For you to get my lesson without my scar. So please, hang on tight. I hope meron kayong mga notebooks. If wala kayong notebooks, please make sure to, I hope you can write on your phone. Okay lang ba bago tayo mag-start, guys? Can we have a little bit of house rules? Because without rules, it's gonna be chaotic. Tama ba? So, my purpose today is to really give you the best, most valuable seminar that you will attend. But I can only do that if there are specific things that we would follow. So first, never be late. Oh, yung iba hindi na qualified. Brinake nyo na yung rule. Pero we will have a break later. So I hope after having a break, you can come back on time. I will be giving you 15 minutes. Next is it okay that there's no picture taking, there's no video recording? Because I get distracted very, very easily. Siguro pwede kang mag-screenshot, pero not as much na nakatutok na hindi ka ba naawa sa kamay mo, masakit. So okay lang ba? Is that something that we can commit on? Yes. And please, no side talking until sinabi ko na mag-interact kayo. Because okay lang naman, pero the thing is, there might be other people who get distracted. So I hope that you guys will be able to appreciate that and respect other people's time. Okay ba yun? Let's now go ahead and proceed with this process. Okay, sige, wait lang. So, cool. Sinabi ko is, this is not your typical seminar because, in short, lahat ng matututunan mo dito ay hindi theory. All of these knowledge are gained through experience. So I know that this works from experience, not theory. Kasi I know there's a lot of people who's teaching content creation as well, but the problem is they're teaching things that are right, but they're not capable of executing what they're teaching. And that's the reason why I pride myself when I have read this, quote from L.H. Hardwick. Sabi niya, a man with experience is never at the mercy of a man with an opinion. Why is that? Because I know for a fact that everything that you're gonna be listening right now, it's super simple. Bakit hindi mo naisip yon? The only reason why it's simple is because I was able to break down all the fat and gave it to you. All meat, all lean, so that ikukonsumo mo na lang. Wala nang tae. Alam niyo ba yung tae? Trial and error. Purong-puro itong matututunan nyo ngayon. And that's the reason why I'm very happy because you're being mentored by a practitioner himself. Ako gumagawa pa rin ako ng content. And what's good about that is I'm also a business owner, an entrepreneur right now. And that's the reason why I have the courage to teach these things to you as of this moment. Okay ba yun? Guys, meron akong surpresa. Sino gusto ng surprise? Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Guys, meron akong tinawag na Content Master Guide ebook. So this ebook is easily worth 10,000. It's valued at 10,000. So, ang tinuturo dito sa ebook is how to quickly get massive attention to your content and product using video content even if you're not an expert. So, meron kasing iba, bakit ako gumawa ng ebook kung pwede ko naman to gawing seminar? It's because there's a lot of people who has different types of acquisition of knowledge. Merong iba audio, merong iba presentation, merong iba video, at merong iba nag-a-alarm yung cellphone. Yun pala, nakalimutan ko sabihin. Baka pwede, i-mute natin yung mga alarm natin dyan para hindi tayo ma-distract at please paki-mute din ang inyong mga cellphone. Okay ba yun? Pwede bang i-check mo sa katabi mo, friend? Pakisabi sa katabi mo, friend? Paki-mute. Hindi naman yan nagre-reply sa'yo. Okay, itong surprise ko na ito, I'm very, very happy to give this to you. You know why? Because I want to give value to you. At sasabihin ko sa inyo kung paano nyo ito makukuha mamaya. Everybody will have a chance to get this later. Okay ba yun? Okay. Walang energy. Okay ba yun? Thank you very much. Okay. Let's go ahead and proceed with our chapter 1, the overview. How would you feel if the movie started right away? Walang backstory, diretso na sa scene. Would you be able to understand everything? No, right? And that's what makes a great movie. It's because it's building towards the climax. Diba? You might call it a climax, but if it was not built prior, the climax will not be as great as it is. And that's the reason why dito muna tayo sa overview. Cool? Cool. Let's go. So, how to create content that converts. Guys, sana tama yung targeting ko. Lahat ba dito business owner? Taas ang kamay ng mga business owner? Okay, kinabahan ako, baka may singer. Hindi ko kayong market, sorry. Not unless gusto mong talent acquisition ng mga singer, you will use online marketing, pwede. Pero the thing is, this module, this seminar is specifically made for business owners. And sana naman yung mga nandyan sa Zoom, hopefully most of you guys are business owners as well. Cool? Okay. So, ano nga ba itong content that converts? Itong content that converts, you have to understand and remember only 3 things, which is SRE. The reason why I put this into framework is because hindi ka mahirapang i-remember ito. And guys, this is something, a formula that most people are using, viral content creators, even Mr. Beast, I don't know if you know Alex Hormozy, and all of those people, especially here in the Philippines as well. But it's just that most people don't know how to break it down. That is my job for today, to break this down to you. So unang-una, anong ibig sabihin ng S? Can you please say that again? SRE. SRE. Bakit ko pinaparepeat sa inyo? It's because once you have something in your mind and you repeat it again, it facilitates learning. So my job is to make sure na hindi ko lang sasabihin yung learning sa inyo. My job as a facilitator is for you to walk away with knowledge that you can execute. Because at the end of the day, that is what I want. To give you that much value. Cool? Thank you very much. So, SRE, anong ibig sabihin ng S? It's called script. So, bakit napaka-importante ng script? By the way, hindi lang script yan. Sa loob ng script, sa S portion, meron niyang mga breakdowns. So, I will explain. Pero, for you to remember that, I want you to understand why script is very important. So, script is very important when you want to have a content that consistently or that has consistent results. So I'm not sure about you, but sino na dito ang gumagawa ng content? Please taas ang kamay. Good. At least almost half of the room. Sino naman dito sa Zoom ang gumagawa na ng content? Please type 1 if you are one of those people. Now, good for you, good for everybody who's executing. But the problem with creating content, and if you don't have a script, is it's not consistent. Pansin nyo, may mga view, may isa kang content na nag-million views or 100,000 views, but the rest, it didn't work. Why? Because walang structure. Script allows you to not just create viral content, kasi walang formula po sa pagiging viral, but there is a formula on how to create viral-worthy videos. And one of the formula is having a script. Because if you have a script, you have a structure. Kaya lahat ng sasabihin mo doon sa structure, you will be able to replicate it again and again and again and again. Cool? Next, the thing that you need to remember is what you call record. Guys, sino dito ang mga naka-iPhone 16 Pro Max fully paid 1 terabyte? Joke lang. Okay, fine, naka-iPhone. Pero pag nagre-record kayo ng content nyo, mukha kayong hinostage ng Abu Sayyaf. Bakit ganon? Ang pangit tingnan. Pero bakit yung mga Gen Z, hindi naman ganun kaganda yung mga cellphone nila, pero napaka-aesthetic. Tama? Why? It's only because we don't know the principle of recording. And that is one of the reasons why your content would convert. It's not just what you say in the video, but what they see in the video. And if, say for example, you're offering luxury, tapos yung video mo mukha kang hinostage, walang maniniwala sa'yo, friend. Walang bibili sa'yo. Bibenta ka ba ng baril? Baka ganun pa yung sabihin. Cool? Okay na? Cool. Okay. So, na-low-bat siya in the middle of presentation. Ang galing. Palakpakan natin ang aking clicker. Napaka-perfect timing. Okay, next. What's next on the framework for you to learn how to create content that converts? Anong E? Any guess? Execute. Ano yung sabi pa, iba? Edit, evaluation, engage, edit. Sabi. Okay, sige na, Zoom. Sige. Let's go ahead. I wanted to hear more about what you have to say. Execute, edit daw, execution, edit. Yep, tama kayo. Yes, hindi pa rin siya nag-work. Pa-charge na lang siya, baka pagod siya. So, it's basically edit. Now, this is gonna sound like a little bit intimidating. Tama? Why? Because when you try to create a content, basically what the problem with that is when you don't know how to edit, useless. Hanggang record ka lang. And this is what stops people from actually becoming consistent. Because they might know how to write a script, they might know how to record themselves, pero nababangko yung content because they're not capable of editing it. Do you agree? Okay, I wanted to see, show of hands, sino dito ang marunong mag-edit? Taas ang kamay? In this room? Oh, wow. Half? I'm sorry? Basic, okay lang. Guys, basic lang din ang alam ko. Pero I can defeat the best editor in the world because I know the principles of editing. And do not mistake editing as you knowing a lot of things, transition, cuts and all. It's basically learning how to be a storyteller and learning the basics. Ituturo ko yun sa inyo. Sino naman dito? Basic slide lang. Si Bell, basic and time-consuming, basic lang daw. Okay lang yun. At least, meron ka ng idea than of someone who still have to learn it from scratch. But still, Kuya Terms, hindi naman marunong mag-edit. Paka-OA mo. Well, hindi ka naman marunong maglakad nung pinanganak ka, di ba? Natuto ka. Why? Because it's a prerequisite for you to go to places. And for your business to go to places, you have to learn this kind of thing as well. Or kahit hindi mo na pag-aralan, at least alam mo lang, so that when you hire someone, you know how to direct them. Cool? So basically, guys, that is it. Script, record, edit, framework is what you need in order for you to learn how to create content that converts. Okay ba yun? Oy, parang walang energy. Okay ba yun? Okay, guys, that's it. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Napakawalang iya. Anyway, we will break it down little by little later. So I just wanted to give you the framework so that you can repeat that in your head again and again, over and over again. Cool? So, backstory muna tayo. Paano ko na-discover itong SRE framework? I discovered it because of this one specific thing. By the way, I accidentally discovered this. Just like sliced bread and many things, you basically are able to discover things even if you don't have the intention of discovering something, only because you executed. Guys, 80% of success is showing up. Doing it, regardless of what you feel. Okay ba yon? Cool? Pero ang lugar, hindi cool. Parang mainit ang lugar, Criza Gotera, baka pwedeng palakasan natin. Ha? Nasabi na? Okay, sige. Kasi parang mas malamig pa yung treatment ng ex ko sa akin kesa dito sa room.
Yes, ano?
Guys, relax lang kayo na ano natin dyan, ha? Mga nasa Zoom, cool ba kayo dyan? Okay. Mas magugulat ako kung may sumagot. So, cool. So, this is a case study of me. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I have been a content creator for 7 years. And on that 7 years, I know how to create content that becomes viral. Or at least would become viral worthy. Now, the thing about being a content creator is that you are a slave to the algorithm. So ako, content creator ako ng Meta. The problem with that is, even if hindi pa ako nagsasuffer ng algorithm change, this is a very big vulnerability for me. If 80-90% of my income is coming from monetization ng Meta. Because one slight change of the algorithm, I might not be able to get that kind of money anymore. And you know, the money is good. Sasabihin ko sa inyo how much ang kinita ko last time. But the problem there is, once the money is good and you do not have an alternative, guess what? You will now begin to have that kind of lifestyle. Tapos pag nawala, ano nangyari? Char, anong nangyari? Iwanan ka na niya? Joke lang. Ang mangyayari dyan is that you will now have a lifestyle change. Or if not, find things or doings that would sustain that lifestyle. And that's the reason why maraming mga content creators ngayon pumupunta sa sugal. Because wala silang alternative route. Have you noticed before, I don't know if you noticed, na hindi na views ngayon, it's now plays? Hindi na views. Plays nang nakalagay. When that changed, I got hit. I was earning 7 digits per month. Now, sobrang 90% reduced. But I knew that before that happened. And that's the reason why I wanted to transition or gusto ko makahanap ng other revenue. And that is the reason why I was able to discover Sika 20-in-1. This is a glow skin. It's a food supplement na may glutathione and at the same time may Centella asiatica, and that's the reason why ganito yung skin ko. Oh.
Yes, ano?
Sana all talaga, Kuya Derbs. Now, the problem with me trying to transition is I don't have any experience in the food supplement world. The only thing that I have is my influence and my knowledge on how to create content. But guess what, guys? This Sika 20-in-1, I only posted this specific video that I'm gonna show you. So wala kaming grand launch, wala kaming marketing company that would help us do these kind of things. The only reason why I said yes is because might as well use the things that I learned from content creation and apply it here sa product ko. And this is the video. By the way, this is a 14-15 minute video. But the thing is, shinorten ko na lang just for us to save time. So, pero ano naman to, overall naman siya. Cool? Check this out. I only posted this video when I launched. Check this out.
Paano kami pumayat at nabawasan ng more than 20 kilos combined? And at the same time, gumanda pa ang mga skin namin? At gumastos lang kami ng 19 pesos per day to get these results. As we gained weight, nagiging super dry na din ang mga balat namin. So, I try to find a solution on this. Wala bang product na nakaka-glow at nakakatulong ding magpapayat all in one? So, inisip ko, why don't I create one? So, we come up with 20 ingredients. Now, these 20 ingredients was split into 2 groups with specific function in mind, which is slimming and whitening. Meron silang natural dye fibers that reduces appetite na nakakatulong sa weight loss, and this also helps in weight management and promotes brain health. Free-form gluta din ito, meaning this type of gluta is the fastest form of gluta. Meron din itong Centella asiatica or Sika. Ito yung sikat na sikat ngayon sa Korea because of its potent anti-aging and soothing properties. And, by the way, all these raw ingredients galing lahat yan sa Korea. Yep, you heard it right. And we decided to have an introductory price from 1,500 pesos to only 595 pesos na lang. So if you want the same result that we got, go ahead and get your hands on Sika Gluta Slim. Limited stocks lang po.
Okay. What I use there is what I call story selling. So write it down there, story selling. So basically, because of story selling, I was able to create consistent content that converts through the SRE framework. And story selling is already the byproduct of the SRE framework na ituturo ko sa inyo mamaya, the breakdown of it. Do you have any idea how much that video generated for me? This video, wait, bakit alam mo? This video generated 6 million pesos in just 15 days. Pinapalakpakan po yan. And here's the catch, guys. With zero beauty industry experience, with zero FB ads, take note, zero FB ads, and no extravagant brand launches, only this video. That's just it. Using the SRE framework, which is this. Pwedeng palagay ng ano dito, screen ko. So, using only the SRE framework. So, doon ko na-discover na pwede pala to hack the attention. Instead of just me creating content specific for free, I can actually direct that and focus it on my product. And that's the reason why I gained the confidence to teach content that converts because of the SRE framework. Cool? Cool? Okay, let's now proceed with chapter 2. You might be asking, duplicable ba ito? Kasi, you might have doubts as well, and maybe, mag-work lang yan sa'yo. Kasi I have gained already a lot of followings. So, let's now proceed. So, I have specific list here that the SRE framework would work. And if you're one of those, thank you very much. Pero pag hindi, bawi na lang ako next time. Okay? So sasabihin ko ang industry that this SRE framework would work. Okay? And if you're one of those industry, please raise your hand or please type me sa Zoom if you're one of this. Okay? Let's go ahead and proceed. So if you are in franchising, this will work for you. If you are in e-com, this will work for you. If you are in freelance, sino mga freelancing dito? Amazing. Sino dito ang nasa e-com? Taas ang kamay. Marami din. Sino dito ang mga nasa franchising? Taas ang kamay. Dami. And if you have services, this will also work for you. Any services here? Amazing. Agency. Meron ba dito? Cool. Brick and mortar. Meron ba? Direct selling. This will work for you if nasa direct selling ka. If you are a real estate agent or in real estate, this will work for you. Sino mga real estate dito? Oy, great. I have news for you. May example ako for real estate mamaya. Sino may physical products? Yung mga e-com, I believe. Taas ang kamay. Digital products. Just like me, I have digital products. May mga digital products. MLM? May mga MLM ba dito? Taas ang kamay. Huwag ka mahiya. Steph, MLM is multi-level marketing. And insurance, taas ang kamay. Sino mga nasa insurance dito? Cool. And B2B, who's serving B2B? B2C? Okay. Shit, hindi ako natawag, Kuya Darbs. Hindi ko kasi kayang tawagin lahat. But most common, these are the things. But, if you are a business that needs customers, then this is for you. So if you're a business that doesn't need customer, and I don't know what kind of business that is, first place, and this is not for you. So I hope that this SRE framework would basically allow you to execute because pag kailangan mo ng customer, kasi yun naman talaga ang isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit yun ang, okay, napi-preempt ko yung sarili ko, but I will ask you a specific question which we will go down this route later. Cool. Let's have a case study. Ito si Aline. Sabi ni Aline is, after attending one of the trainings, she was able to close 4 deals sa content niya na hindi man lang daw siya nag-edit ng maayos. That is now bringing her 6 digits income per month. Because of this, she was able to add more people sa team niya. So, bakit ko pinapakita si Aline? So, ito si Aline, by the way, when he attended one of our training. Because si Aline could be like you. So, she's a freelancer. Hindi siya techie. Sino dito hindi techie? Nag-work sa kanya. Wala din siyang alam sa content when she learned the SRE framework. At, lalong-lalo na, hindi din siya creative nung nagsimula siya. Sino dito nagsabi hindi sila creative? Taas ang kamay. I don't believe there's no creative people. It's just that you don't practice it enough. Pero yun ang paniniwala niya, and that's the limiting belief that she has. And last but not the least, pinakamataas na hindrance in creating content is hindi marunong mag-edit. Because sinabi niya na doon, hindi siya marunong mag-edit. So, do you really need to be great in creating content that converts? Siya mismo, sinabi niya hindi siya marunong mag-edit, but she was able to convert. And ito pa, last but not the least. She has 3 kids. Ibig sabihin, busy siya. Marami siyang ginagawa. So, bakit ko siya pinapakita? Because the SRE framework is duplicable and transferable. Why am I showing you this? Kung kaya nga ng hindi techie, walang alam sa content, hindi creative, at hindi marunong mag-edit, and a mom of 3, ikaw pa kaya na pogi at maganda?
Yes, sir, all.
Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, friend! Pogi ka. Friend! Sabihin mo, friend! Sana mag 6 digits tayo. 7 digits. I love that. Palakpakan natin. Gusto ko yan. Sino dito ang gusto ng pera? Sino dito ang mukhang pera? Yes. And it's good. It's fine. Kailangan natin ng pera. Guys, the problem is, we just have to learn how to get one in an ethical manner. That's what I'm going to be teaching you today. Okay ba yun? So, I hope we remove that limiting belief that the SRE framework are only for people that are creative and for people na marunong mag-edit. Pwede din siya sa inyo, mga pogi at magaganda. Okay ba yun? Parang hindi kayo naniwala na ganon. Yeah. Hindi pa rin siya gumagana. Okay, cool. Cool? Okay. So, this is what we call the red car theory. So, I just wanted to explain this a little bit because this will really learn and facilitate the learnings in you moving forward. Okay? So, the red car theory, one day, there's one person, pangalan niya is si Mark. Pumunta siya from Cavite, papunta ng BGC to his office. So, nag-travel siya. Umalis siya ng 5 o'clock, dumating siya ng 7 o'clock kasi traffic. Tapos, pagdating niya sa office niya, tanong siya ng boss niya, Mark, how many cars were you able to find, or red cars you were able to find on the road? Sabi ni Mark, weird boss, nang tanong mo. Anyway, wala akong nahanap. So, okay, no problem. Pag uwi mo, Mark, I want you, in your commute back, I want you to check how many red cars you can, kaya mong bilangin. So that's what he did. Bumalik siya, he counted the red cars, and to his surprise, he texted his boss, boss, I was able to find 215 red cars. Weird. Bakit ko ito sinasabi sa inyo? Because, most of the time, the reason why we feel we don't have opportunities is because we don't pay attention to possible opportunities. He was not able to see the red car moving forward is because he was not looking for one. But going back, since he purposely looked for the red car, he was able to find it. How is this reflecting in our life? Maybe, there are specific times where we're trying to find solution sa businesses natin and that the only thing that we can focus on are the problems. And that's the reason why yun lang din ang napapansin natin. But if we're able to mind shift and focus on how we're able to get basically solutions rather than the problem, guess what our brains are going to find? What? Exactly. So, instead of asking yourself, will this work for me, ang SRE framework, I want you to write this down. Just one word. How will this work for me? How will this work for me? Guys, actually, I just steal this from Robert Kiyosaki. Do you know Rich Dad, Poor Dad? Taas ang kamay. So, sabi niya is, can I afford it? Instead of saying, can I afford it? How can I afford it? So how will this work for me? Kasi guys, I'm telling you, if you find ways na itong SRE framework is not gonna work, it will not work on you. Because you will always find reasons, hindi ka marunong mag-edit, hindi ka creative, hindi naman ako marunong magsulat, hindi naman ako marunong gumamit ng AI, hindi naman ako marunong gumamit ng hook, and all of those things. And that's the reason why, nasa-stuck ka na lang. So, please, before proceeding on telling yourself na will this work for me, change that into how will this work for me. Can you please say that again? How will this work for me? People in the Zoom, can you please check? How will this work for me? Type mo dyan. Guys, bakit ko pinapasabi to? Again, because I want this to facilitate learning. Okay ba yun? Mainit pa rin ba or medyo okay na? Medyo okay na? Okay, palakpakan natin ng aircon. Thank you very much, AC. Okay, let's now go ahead and proceed sa chapter 3, which is the backstory. Cool. There are people who's asking me, why are you giving away your techniques? If this made you 15 million pesos, why are you giving it away? It's a good question. So basically, there are activities that feeds your pocket, and there are activities that feeds your soul. And one of the things that feeds my soul is I want to teach. And this is very special to me. You know why? Because my parent is a teacher. My mother is a teacher as well, ng public school. So I didn't realize, one of my dreams even before is I want to be an SME. Alam mo yung SME? Subject Matter Expert. So, nurse kasi ako before eh. I graduated as a nurse and then was not able to practice it. Nag-nurse ako, by the way, because yung girlfriend ko before, nag-nurse din siya. So, gusto kong sumama sa kanya. So, nag-nurse din ako. Crazy, di ba?
Yes, all.
So, please, wag niyo yung pinaka-importanting part ng buhay nyo. Kasi naghiwalay din kami. So, sayang. Sana nag-IT na lang ako. Okay. Before I answer that question as well, bakit ko binibigay itong techniques na to? Alam niyo ba na taga Dubai ako? You know? Okay. So, this is one of the pictures that I have when I was in Dubai. Naging OFW ako sa Dubai for 10 years. And this was my first breakfast in Dubai. This was 2012. The only thing that I have at that specific time, guys, is I only have 2,000 pesos in my pocket and a bag full of dreams. Quick backstory. I want to show you this picture. When my sister brought me from the airport, tapos pumunta kami dun sa what do you call this, sa bahay, sa building. Siyempre, probinsyano ako eh. Wow, may elevator. So, kala ko social yung apartment. Sino dito mga taga-Dubai or ano? Taga-Middle East. Okay, so alam niyo na kung saan ako papunta. So, kala ko social yon kasi may elevator. Sipin mo, may elevator yung pinupuntahan mo. So, pag-akyat namin doon, so may pintuan. So, pasok namin ng pintuan, oh my God, yung room na yon is a city within a city. Sobrang dami namin doon. That was supposed to be for one family, 15 kaming nakatira. And pansin nyo dito, bakit yung ulo ko nandun na sa may ceiling? Because naka-double deck ako niyan. And sumusubo ako paano mag-tie ng necktie. at that specific time. Because, paubos na po yung visa ko niyan. My parents spend 150,000 pesos just for me to be there. And on a couple of days, if hindi ako makahanap ng work, yung 150,000 na pesos na yun, tapon na yun. So, sobrang tagal ko sa Dubai, naging kamukha na nila ako. Joke. So, I mean, to cut the story short, I was able to be there in Dubai. Nakapag-work ako. It's not easy, honestly. Kaya sobrang saludo ako sa mga OFW. Fuck, sobrang hirap, especially if you're trying to work with other nationalities. But one of the things that I hated the most when I was in Dubai, kasi kaya ako pumunta ng Dubai is because, only reason lang naman bakit kailangan pumupunta ang tao sa Dubai is because I thought that an opportunity is better there than here. And guess what? Magkano ang sahod ko dun? 30,000 pesos. Nagsimula ako. So imagine, I have to leave my parents. So this is my mom, this is my father, and this is my pamangkin. And one thing I hated the most is that when I was in Dubai for 10 years, I missed celebrating important moments with them. Birthday, Christmas, Valentine's. Sobrang ang iba dito nakaka-relate. So you know that feeling na sobrang layo mo sa kanila. And the only reason is because, the only driving factor is because I thought that the better opportunity is outside. Na yung 30,000 pesos na yun, I hope someday maging 70,000. That's just the only reason. And I sacrificed so much. But you know what? Because of content creation, because of the SRE framework, I was able to go back here sa Pilipinas. I was able to build businesses. And 10x pa ang kinikita ko dito ngayon sa Pilipinas compared nung nasa Dubai pa ako. And I'm very, very happy because bakit pa ako umalis ng Dubai? Bakit pa ako umalis ng Pilipinas kung dito mas malaki ang kinikita ko versus na nandun ako? How? Because of that framework, guys, I now get to celebrate special moments with them. And I was able to give my parents a car. Last time kasi I missed a lot of Christmas with them. And I get to celebrate special moments with them while there's still time. So I said, so bakit nyo siya tinuturo going back? If this knowledge can help anyone, para hindi kailangang umalis ng Pilipinas sa mga Pilipino para iwanan yung pamilya nila, mga mahal nila sa buhay, kasi yun yung nagawa sa akin nun, yun ang gagawin ko. And that's the reason why I want to share this knowledge. Because it's so much possible for you to earn so much without leaving the country. And would you agree that your kid or your family would be much more happier and better if you're here beside them than you going out? Kasi sobrang daming napapariwarang mga bata only because their parents was not there when they were growing up. Thank you very much. Hindi ko alam may palakpakan pala. Thank you. I appreciate that. That's the reason why I want to share this. So, I would love to think that some of you know me, but I do not have the audacity to assume that everybody knows me. So, I wanted to introduce myself. Okay lang bang magpakilala ako sa inyo? Okay. Who amongst here was able to watch my content before? Taas ang kamay? Okay, happy to know that. Pero sa mga hindi, sino yung mga hindi don't have an idea? Pwede paki-assist na lang si sir. Joke lang sir. Palakpakan natin si sir! Palakpakan natin si sir! Pakala mo sir? Ray.
Raymond po.
Ray.
Yeah.
Joke lang Ray ha. Joke. Okay, so by the way, my name is, I'm Real Talk Darbs. I help business owners get more sales without hard selling. Paano ito? Business owners, more sales without hard selling. Meron kasing nakaano dyan eh. But again, I help business owners get sales without hard selling through content creation. Huwag niyo yung screenshot kasi baka mapahiya ako. Hindi kasi may ano yan eh. Puti dapat kasi yan. Hindi ko lang na ano. So, my name is Real Talk Darbs, also known as, or my name, legal name is Darby Kim Estribilla. I'm a video content expert. And I have more than 5 million followers across all social media platforms. And I have over 1 billion video content views. Pinapalakpakan po yan. So, happy ako na meron akong karapatang magturo ng video content. Tama ba? Salamat naman. So, that's the reason why. And hindi lang po ako ngayon nagtuturo ng content creation. I've been teaching since 4 years already. Ayan. This was 4 years ago. And mind you guys, nagbibigay ako ng webinar before, ng 2 hours, libre. Pero walang uma-attend. Alam niyo bakit? Ask me why. Sino din mga course creator? May mga course creator ba dito? Guys, ito ang greatest hack na na-discover ko. Even if you give your best shit for free, nobody will pay attention. That sometimes putting a price to it is the reason that you're giving value to your clients. Because people pays attention. Say that again. People pay attention. People pays attention. Okay. People pay? Yes. I'm telling you. Bakit hindi mo na ito binigay ng libre, Kuya Darbs? First of all, excuse me. Mahal kaya nitong ginagawa namin. Second of all, we did already before. 5 araw pa ang free webinar namin. Walang pumunta. Hindi kami umabot ng 400 people. Why? Because they think that that's not worth it. So putting a price to a specific thing actually is a way for you to give value to your clients and to give value to you. Learning so far? Okay. So I was featured in different news publications as well because of content creation and won different awards in content creation. Yan. So sa Dubai, nanalo po ako. I was also in Bicon before, kasama ko sila Slater Young, sila Niyong Rai. I was also awarded in Emirates Influencer Awards International, Lifestyle in Dubai. Was able to get those awards in content creation. And ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina. This was my 2023 monetization. Ito yung ako real talk. Baka sabi nyo, kinuha ko lang yun kay Ninong Rai na monetization. I was able to earn 20 million pesos in Facebook content creation alone. 20 million pesos in 1 year. And you know what? I'm so mad. You will find out later bakit. Pero pinapalakpakan po yan. Wala pa po yung brand deals and all. And I have businesses earning 6 to 7 digits per month each. And the only reason why they're earning that much is because I know how to market the shit out of it, even if I'm a newbie business owner. Ang isa sa pinakamahirap being a business owner is managing people. Do you agree? Yes. Oh, mga ganun, no? Sobrang hirap. Honestly, it's a different beast to slay. And another one is how to market your business. Sobrang hirap. Cool? Okay. Chapter 4, mind shift. Pakisulat dyan. Bray, baka pwedeng i-charge nyo na lang ng mas mabilis. I think dito nag-charge eh. Yan. Cool. Mind shift. Guys, do you think what's my most valuable investment? What do you think? Mindset. Tell me. What else? Knowledge. Gusto ko makita yung mga sinasabi ng Zoom people. What do you think is my most valuable investment? Time, knowledge, mindset, experience, yourself, strategy, skills. Nadidisappoint ako sa mga sagot nyo kasi walang nagsabi face. Last batch may nagsabi ng face eh. So parang mas favorite ko na sila. Joke lang. Jokes are half meant daw eh. Joke. So, you know what's my most valuable investment? Ask me what? Mahina. Ask me what? My most valuable investment is buying other people's mistakes. Write it down. Buying other people's mistakes. Bakit? When you buy other people's mistakes, you get their lessons without their scars. Buying what they know. Basically. Investing in knowledge gained from others' experience so you can avoid making the same costly errors na ginawa nila. And you can avoid the same, or you do not have to go through all of those wrong things, yung tae, trial and error, instead of learning through trial and error, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina. You're basically paying for the lessons they've already learned, saving you time and resources in the long run. So, just to show you, I pay other people's mistakes as well. I'm buying their mistakes. So, this is one of my mentors, si Paul O'Mahony from Rethink Academy. He's from England, or Irish siya, pero he's residing in Ireland. And this is one of my mentors as well, si Jason. You know how much I paid them just to have a mastermind? Can you guess? How much? Can you play? Ay, thank you very much, Girly. Palakpakan natin. Face value! Palakpakan si Girly! Thank you, ha? Thank you very much. Guys, I paid Rethink Media 800,000 pesos just for the mentorship of 6 months. At wala silang binigay sa akin. The only thing is, I just tell them my problems, and then they will answer it to me directly. They will forward me to different departments. That's it. And recently, I don't know if you know Russell Brunson. Okay, so Russell Brunson, he has one company. It's called Prime Mover. I paid around 500,000 pesos worth of digital course and coaching paid in full only because I know for a fact na one single knowledge na matututunan ko doon at i-apply ko dito sa akin, it was already paid for. And the reason why most people, kasi ganun din ako before, why the fuck would you wanna pay that much? Like ako before, ganun ang iniisip ko. Like, doesn't make sense. Bili ko na ng iPhone yan. Right? The only reason is because I was not confident that the learnings that I will get from them, I will not execute. So it's basically a reflection of my execution capability, not them. And by the way, one hack pala, when you buy other people's mistakes, is you make sure, be careful who you follow. Kasi, expensive doesn't mean it's effective. So how can you know if a person is worth learning from? Is if he's living a life that you want to live. That's number one. And number two criteria is if that person is able to bring a person who looks like you to the direction where he is over and over again. Yun lang. So if there's someone who's giving you advices and they're not living the life that you want to live, so automatic, huwag mo na silang pakinggan. Can you promise me that? Yes. Do not overvalue people's opinion too much. And again, guys, in this chapter, I wanted to clear doubts. Bakit ang mura ng training, hindi ka balugi? So this training basically is 995 pesos. Especially sa inyo, guys, hindi po to libre ah. Like, hindi ako nag-post tapos umattend kayo lahat. Hindi po ganun. Kasi ganun ang ginagawa ko. I was not paying Facebook ads. Pero I paid Facebook ads. And honestly, yes, sobrang mura nito. For the value that you're getting in this kind of setup, and with the tech team, there are a lot of people who's asking, if scam ba daw to? Yan, sabi niya. Sabi ni Chay, legit ba to? So hindi ko siya masisi. Kasi like, I could charge higher, honestly. Guys, I want you to imagine that the equipments that we use, the tech team behind, the staff that is preparing, not to mention the FB ad costs, video production costs, manpower costs, just to make this webinar happen, this event happen, is so high. Would you agree, would you believe that it took us at least 1.5 million pesos just to gather all of you just today? It's 1.5 million pesos. Hindi pa kasama yung tech. And honestly, there's a lot of people out there who doesn't have an extensive experience as I am, who's charging 2,500 pesos to 5,000 pesos ang singil. So why are we doing this? Can you please ask me why? Can you please shout, loss leader? Loss leader. So ano nga ba ang loss leader? Okay, a loss leader is a concept where a business sells something cheaper than it actually costs para maka-attract ng customers. The goal is to develop a relationship with the clients with the hopes that if the company will offer other products in the future, the client buys because of the relationship that was developed. Guys, okay lang ba if I will ask everybody to please stand up? Tayo. Tapos medyo shake tayo ng kamay in just 5 seconds. Ready? Begin. Yan. Bakit ko kayo pinatayo? Kasi merong iba nag-aagaw buhay na. Sayang naman yung binayad mo. Dito ka pa natulog. Okay, please sit down. Thank you very much. We just wanted to replenish that energy. Yan. Later, we will have a chance to interact with each other. Okay ba yun? Cool. So, basically, the goal is to develop relationship with you. So, maraming mga big companies is doing loss leader. And I want you to also put this, or maybe you can apply this in your business as well. Itong loss leader na technique. So, another perfect example ng loss leader is Apple. So, meron silang iTunes. Alam niyo ba na ang iTunes offered popular songs for 99 cents before? And I think until now. It is very low price just to draw people in. And they want you to be in the iTunes ecosystem. Pag nasa iTunes ecosystem ka kasi, you are now likely to purchase more music, apps, and devices. So ako, like I've been an Apple user, I don't know, for more than 7-8 years. I want to change. But the thing is, ang ecosystem ko is Apple. I cannot go out already. Another example is Gillette. Pansin nyo ba bakit sobrang mura ng yung head ng, hindi head, yung body? So this is a perfect example of a loss leader as well. Gillette sells its razor handle at a very low price or even gives them away for free, expecting to make money on the sales of the razor heads. Sobrang mahal ng mga razor heads. So basically, the goal here, or my goal here, is to develop a relationship first with you, sa mga clients ko, my future clients. And you get to experience me and the learnings that you will have from me and the value I provide for this price range. With the hopes that when we have a higher tier offer sa inyo later, you might want to consider it. Cool? That's my goal, basically. So, my goal for today is to deliver so much value to you that you'd want to buy our level 2 offer after this event. And by the way, not everybody is required to attend that. Only for those people who wants to have an opportunity to increase or fast track their result. Cool? So, sounds fair ba yon? And ito pa guys, I will not present it if you do not give me, permission. Or if I haven't over-delivered. Okay ba yan? Okay, cool. So, the upsell later is what we call Content Mastery Bootcamp. Sasabihin ko na to ngayon so that I can focus on delivering value to you as fast as I can. Sabihin ko lang so that you would also have an understanding. So, why is this different? Because this is not your typical seminar. This is a typical seminar. It's a one-way learning. Ako nagsasalita, tapos kayo nagsusulat. Now, this Content Mastery Bootcamp is an implementation bootcamp. My goal here is for you to steal my secrets in content creation by writing, shooting, video editing, viral-worthy videos during the event, and potentially, yung post nyo na ipopost, if ever, could generate sales for your business, potentially making your enrollment for free. Now, when is this gonna happen? November 26 to 28, this is next week, 10 a.m. to 8:30 p.m., dito din. Okay? So what's the enrollment fee? Guys, this is not for everyone. So prepare. How much is it? The value of this is, the VIP value is 149,000 pesos and the Zoom value price is 95,000 pesos. Again, guys, latag ko na to sa inyo ngayon so that I can focus on serving you after. This is not for everyone, obviously. This is only for people who is committed sa growth ng business and career nila and to fast track whatever it is that you learn here. Okay ba yon? Done. So, here's what we're gonna do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4, 4. So 4, 4. So, here's what I want you to do. And of course, please make sure sa mga Zoom people there, I want you to group yourselves into 4. So, 4 dito, 4 dito. So, why am I doing this? Because one of the learnings that I have is basically being able to learn people better than me. And by being able to network and know what are their struggles. And most of the time, it gives us a little bit of comfort knowing that we're not going through the problems that we're going through alone because we can relate with other people. So, what I want you to do is In a moment, I will ask you to stand up and I will have breakout rooms of 5 or 6 people sa Zoom. And what I want you to do is I want you to introduce yourself with those people and I want you to tell them what you do and what's the number one challenge in your business or in your career. That's just it. Okay, mahiya. This is an opportunity for you guys to learn. So, you can, everybody stand up. Yan. And I will give you, how many minutes? I will give you 5 minutes lang. So please, I think 30 seconds each. So hindi mo naman kailangan, ganun na lang kayo. Ganun na lang din po kayo. And for those people, magkakarinigan naman kayo, di ba? Okay lang ba yon? Okay, sige. And of course, people in the Zoom, please make sure to accept the breakout rooms. I want you to discuss this. Write it down. What's your number one challenge in your business or your career? Write it down now. 5 minutes. Ready?